Share the telecast. This is a night of power, a night of miracle, a night of solution, a night to explain. David Yahweh, why are you jealous of Ebuka Obi? David Yahweh, why are you jealous of Ebuka Obi? Everybody, David Yahweh, why are you jealous of Ebuka Obi? Please let me just explain something. Share the telecast. Basan Mozia to Saya, Tag Amazayonine, Tag Ama Jepak, Tag Ama Sagubola, Tag Ama Ijoa, Tag Ama Ezugo, tag all the fake bloggers, like Ijoa, Ezugo, Jepak, then Sagubola, all those young fake, useless bloggers, blackmail blogger, tag them. Let them come close. Let me not tell the world what's happening. Don't come and say, David Yahweh, you're jealous of him. Because is nobody for me to jealous of him. It's nobody. I come jealous of somebody that don't even know what he's doing. Because what I say doesn't know what he's doing. Because anybody who pray to, statue, claiming to be a prophet, is supposed to be stoned alive. Why? Because of your rebellion to Most High. If you try it in Israel, you'll be locked up in jail. If you go to Israel and read rosary, you'll be locked up, they will stone you alive. So get it right. Me and Ebuka Obi, we're not from the same place. Ebuka Obi is from Imo State, I'm from Anambra State. So how come I'm jealous of him? Ebuka Obi is reading rosary and going to water, according to him. Because he must know this. Sabbath and Roman Catholic, they are not the same doctrine. They are different doctrine. Okay? Now, for you to come, for Ebuka Obi to come and begin to cascade my own doctrine, thinking that he have all the whole power in the world to speak about Sabbath, because he have him back as a spiritual father, does not give you the light to come out and begin to speak about other people, because if you, your domination, you have crowd. If you have crowd, yeah, people will come to your rescue. That does not give you the audacity or full light to speak about other people's religion. Whereby, if they talk about your own, you pick offense. Me and you know that Ebuka Obi cannot preach without talking about other pastors, other prophets, other even Reverend fathers. Now, then he was not talking about, now I have few have alive. Then when we are talking about 2022, Ebuka Obi was using me to do sermon every day, open heaven. Every time I have program, Ebuka Obi used me to do sermon. Where are you people that time? This is emotional blackmail. Now he's shouting, David Yahweh, I did not call your name. What's happened to somebody? For Ebuka Obi to come out to say, I did not call your name, that means that something he was saying. Why? Okay, how come he did not call your name? How come now you know that somebody is talking to him? He didn't call your name. Did Mbaka call your name? You don't need to call somebody's name. This is internet. When we talk now, that prophet where they do arrange, I'm not calling Ebuka Obi name, but I was talking to him. When we talk, my baby virgin, we not call Ebuka Obi name, but we're talking to you. Even if I like my baby virgin now, people will come. If I like arrange prophet, people will come. All the time they will gather. So you don't need to call my name for the world to know that for me to know that you're talking to me. And listen very well. I don't drag anything with Ebuka. What I'm dragging with Ebuka, this is a spiritual puzzle. So for you to come and put yourself there, I want to die, God will kill you. This is a spiritual kingdom versus kingdom. Genti, me, I am not jealous of Ebuka Obi, and he knows. I've told Ebuka Obi, if he say I am jealous of you, come and prove to us who made it is. This is a program made 3 years ago. You know, this is ministry, huh? Listen, this is ministry. And we know some things, we don't say it. No me say we know now. We know some things, but when it's something that prone to something, as no oku nebuto oku. You understand? I was on my own. No. Just the Ebuka Obi field, the Yahweh was all over the whole world. I was all over the whole world. You can't take it away. Zion City of the Yahweh was all over the whole world. Okay, why did I hack my page? Page that if I do video, some video have 2 million views, 3 million views. You say, who does not know David Yahweh in the world? I'm not to talk about Nigeria, in the world. Do you know the kingdom of 40? Do you know what see, let me tell you that you have cried does not mean you have imparted. I've imparted the world. People like Ijo Wadena, they are challenging Doctor, Governor Ezioku, Ezobi, all those people now. Many of them that came out, these are people that are imparted 2022, 21, they are not there. If they don't talk, if you talk, they will send the arrow. I am the one that conquered those things, so you don't take it away from them, from the who God has given the mantle. Omabaka job for Chukwu, one of Igbo land. They pray, they show. Adamaka. If he says not the truth, tell me the prophets are giving have not come to pass. I told Akwok you have problem, you don't get problem. I told Jesus you have problem, you don't get problem. I told Mbaka that you have problem, they no close in church. I told the Miracle you have problem, you don't have problem. I told Ebuka Obi they have problem, Ebuka Obi no get problem. Ebuka Obi have problem that almost killed me. He ran to join Freemason. He wants to join Freemason in Italy. Is it not that problem that breaking with the Mbaka and the Jepak and what? And the James Hagobor? Are they together now? These are the people who team together and fought me. I crush them. The reason why you people they are multitude. But if they tell you the heat, if Ebuka Obi tell you the heat that I give to them, you know who fear Yahweh. I don't worship men. If it's easy to make mouth, come out and make it. Thank God he said making mouth. Without making mouth, that means you're a dead man. It's a closed mouth, it's a closed destiny. So I'm just making the same mouth people are making. To come and be calling another prophet fake. If you go to water, because do you know why? It's me that, because I almost go to water. All my prayer, because I'm doing people international. I was trained as a rabbi, as a high priest. We follow, I study Bible 7 times from beginning to end. So we follow Bible. God said in book of Bible, if you are somebody has spiritual sickness or spiritual problem, take him to the water. The spirit will follow the water to go. It's there. But I don't do those things. What I do, I only go to water and pray. Because Jesus Christ was in the water. Elijah went to water. Charlotte carried him. Name them. Moses, before Moses can deliver people of Israel, they passed through water. In the beginning, Genesis 1, he cannot do water without God. Nobody can do without water, he can't do God. Because that's why you have baptism of the Holy Spirit, it's water. That's why Jesus Christ could not perform any miracle until he came to John the Baptist. Okay, Ebuka Obi came to be John the Baptist. What was John the Baptist saying? John the Baptist was inside water, shouting, repent, the kingdom of God is at hand. People are coming to baptize, repent. The king, that's what he was preaching. He wasn't eating, he wasn't drinking, and they say he have demon. I spent 5 years on the mountain. I'm not Ebuka Obi 1 million. See, let me forget all those packages what they do. I am a spiritual warlord. Ebuka Obi 1 million and say 1 million no fit stand me. I am a martial spiritual warlord, martial art. When it comes to miracle, Ebuka Obi went to Enugu State. How many miracles perform there? I can go on the street now without anybody that will perform miracle. Do you know what they call say? If they go without nobody supporting you, without no help, I can go on the street. I can do it Lagos, Abuja, on Chapata. Only me. Who can put it on the test. Can Ebuka Obi try it? He can't do it. Forget if you know say they package for him. I can do it alone without anybody help. To prove to you, I have 1.16 million engine. I am the first prophet who stood on this telecast like Ijo now. How many years have you started making video? When did you come out? I know when you come out, you start shouting like me. These are people that are imparted. You can't take it away. If you bring your video that you make about 2020, talk about native doctor, we'll give you 10 million naira. You and us will go. Bring video that you make if you are not the one that imparted you people. Everything we're doing now is what I've done that you people copied and start doing. Preaching Ebuka Obi is doing is my preaching. He talk about it, says this is what I've preached that he came out. Here's why. Show me 2020. Show me 2020 Ebuka Obi where they preach about native doctor. How you know the truth is, look at what I'm giving you an example. Show me Governor Zoku 2020 or 2021. If I'm not the one that imparted them. All the things you see they do now is what I did 2022. And that's why they became jealous. Ijo was here before. That's why they became jealous. They want to hack my page. Because I give you the raw truth. The reason why I talk about Ebuka Obi more than I, because he's taking my people to kingdom of darkness. I'm not jealous of you for what? When I say I rejected billion from Occultic kingdom, I'm not saying it for you to clap for me. I know you may not believe, but I'm saying it. People I say I rejected billion, they are alive. They would have died. They say when you save one soul, heaven rejoice. Do you know the battle I fought with Mary? We fight battle for more than how many years before I'm overcome her. When the little girl died, every mother must watch this video, share this thing. Every mother, every family must watch this video. When the little girl died in 2020, what killed this girl? Her father wanted to sacrifice her to Mary, Queen of Heaven. That means I'm not saying whatever I say here, come out. Nobody can, no reverend father, nobody, Ebuka Obi cannot try. If Ebuka Obi try it, you go to jail in Israel. Let us go to, if you try it, come and prove that Mary is not set up. Bring your chaperone, let us go to Israel. If you read your chaperone and come back to Nigeria, you know I'm a fake prophet. Because you can't say, hey, we're worshiping God of Israel. You got me telling people more water. Shay, the crime saying God of Israel, they worship now. Jesus Christ is from Israel, Mary is from Israel. Let us go to Israel. Come and read your chaperone. I told you 2023, I went to Israel before you. I was in Israel with Adeboye. I went to Israel 2018. I went to Israel 5 years ago before you go to Israel. If Ebuka Obi go to Israel. Ebuka Obi going to Israel just to deceive people. To look at his Zion. Ebuka Obi is Zion of Satan. Read him. It can never be Zion without being a Jew. I cannot come and if I come and put Mary now and put a statue, I come and write Roman Catholic. Am I a Roman Catholic? I'm not Roman Catholic. The Roman Catholic have their doctrine. So you cannot answer Zion and be putting statue in Ayara. Who born you? God punish you. You cannot be putting another God and be telling us you're Zion. Do you know the meaning of Zion? This is the doctrine. That's what Roman Catholic people are telling you. No, if you cannot abide their rule, come on from there. You cannot come and take a doctrine. Sabbath have their doctrine. This is Sabbath. This is Sabbath move. We can't take our Zion and be doing nonsense. We can't allow you. God will punish. God will destroy you. We can't allow you. No matter how crowded, all of you will go down. Water will swallow all of you. All of you, water will swallow all of you. Why? He can God say, who can battle with the Lord? Who is that mortal man that can challenge the power of God? He will die overnight. Under the kind of prayer, God will take you. Be you who? Ask Jepak and the Judge Sagbora. Why are they not in Zion now? Where is the Governor Zoku? These are the cabal that if you talk, they come and arrest you. Now me destroy them. Powerhouse, I give them rest now. I told you people, how will you hear from me? Ebuka, where is your Zion? Where is Jepak? Where is the Judge Sagbora? Where is the Governor Zoku? Where is Ofeke? I'll give them one shot. I'll give you all of you scatter. Who is the master? A man who told you that I'll bring you down, I'll bring you down, that a man who can, hey, they are blackmailing me, they are jealousing me, they are killing me. You are the thief and the criminal thief. You are the criminal who want to employ fake bloggers and criminals to come and be fighting other people. Now they hit you back, you begin to shout. Hey, that prophet that got the water, that prophet that this feature work, that prophet that used to collect money, Ebuka, you are the thief. You are the criminal, you are selling water. Come out to tell us you know they sell water. He will close down your water. God will punish you. You're selling water to people. People will drink and go home, they will still die. You're selling Seraphic oil to them. People will go buy and go home and get frustrated. Now, hearing news that one boy that came to your church, Ross, you will not talk about it. How can you be putting program, 100 days program, 30 days program, 150 days? God is nonsense. Do your program, 2 days, 3 days, it's over. So people can go home. Stop all those long time program you're doing. That is the way to make money. How can you be doing program 1 year, 6 months? No, you want to fast for 1 year, no problem. You want to fast for 10 years, no problem. You're the prophet. I'm on fasting. I'm not coming here to say, I am fasting. Everybody should fast. I've declared my fasting. If you want to join, you don't want to join, that is your own. I'm on a mission. The mission I came is 2 vision I came to. You accepted one, you did not accepted one. Why you do? Okay, why do you accepted Okite preaching? I am not brought Okite. I am the first person to preach about Okite. And I want to fight the battle. So I came with two messages. Two messages to expose the evil native doctors and the occultism and marine kingdom, and to expose Church of Satan. Before I fight Okike, I fought the TV doctor, I fought Jeremiah, I fought Buchiri. Now me and Buchiri used to come to Nigeria. Go and check the history. Buchiri comes to Nigeria every year until 2018. After I fought with him, he had problems in South Africa and they ran to Malawi. That is my battle, and the battle between me and Buchiri is what ending not to enter Nigeria again. So before he says, which day Ebuka coming? Let me bring Ebuka organ, let me bring him come to the lamplight. He cannot, without me, there won't be Ebuka Obi. So how do I jealous him? Without me, there won't be Ebuka Obi. Go anywhere and tell me how Ebuka Obi come to lamplight. Let me give you history. Yeah, jealous of him. There's 8 something billion in these people. People where there's this 1 billion. No. So why would I be jealous of him? Are we from the same place? No. Are we doing the same practice? No. Ebuka Obi is doing my Catholic Church of Satan. I'm doing Sabbath. We're not the same. You're worshiping Sunday, I'm worshiping Saturday. So why would I be jealous of you? Yeah, you know, Sabbath, you know, they struggle to say they want win so. How many priests they see Sabbath people, they go say, come to our church? How many people, if they go for road, they haven't gone for road, they see any Sabbath people tell you, say, come. Sabbath believe they have power. And the God say, the sheep will hear the voice, they will come. I am the only prophet in Sabbath who came and preached on the street. I am the first prophet on Sabbath who came, because of what? I've done Pentecostal, and I've done Sabbath, I've done Pentecostal. This is 35 years in spirituality. Go and ask questions. Go to my village and ask them. The first foundation in my house was church. Before I even came to movie industry, I've done church. The one I left the church go down. So you don't come here and talk about what you don't know. What do you know about me? Ebuka Obi don't do. Before Ebuka Obi do, but I don't become prophet. I deceive which of the heal people. Zion spiritual healing. This Zion you see now is 35 years. How many years is your Zion? Are you a Zion? You're not a Zion. What you are, you're Zion on Satan. Forget this. You just try to hijack. You can't hijack all of you will go down. He can't hijack the truth. He don't have the truth. He can't have. It's not possible. He don't have the truth. He don't have the true God. What he have is marine kingdom, satanic worship. Prove it. 100 million now. Anybody that can prove it. Why do you think all the whole 11 father is keeping quiet? Why are they not coming out? Why the 11 sisters not coming? Let them come out. Let them come and prove it. 100 million naira. Ijowa, come and prove it. That means it's not Satan. All of you come out and prove it now. You think it's all about owning camera? Hey, come the chat. No, we will take you to Bible scholar. You never read the Bible. You don't know about God. You don't know nothing. You think it's all like, hey, owning camera. The problem you see money as God. That is full of foolish. How you people are. You worship my human being and you still left to God. God said, trust nobody. Even that you're useless prophet, you shouldn't trust him. Now that you trust me, he said, believe in your prophet. Never trust any man. Never trust any man. When I discovered that TV Dutcher was not even serving God and he's worshiping Marine Kingdom, do you know how many years? Do you know how many years I discovered that Jeremiah was not worshiping the true God? Do you know how many years? I can leave those things. I'm not going to leave all those things. Not be today I will start to. Have you sowed a seed 1 million in church before? You not get money now. How can you go? Have you how many men of God have you seen? Even Ebuka Obi Kremi for have you seen him one-on-one? You can't see him, you don't have money. Mbaka they know they see if you have money like can go and see Mbaka. Ebuka Obi, if you buy car now like a Jeep like 20 million, you will go and see Ebuka Obi one-on-one. You will see they will bring you where he is. That's how people, that's how you let your profit. By how much highest bidder. That's why I see people bringing car so they can see him. We have a videos now. I can pray some this thing and some of your members. I can pray it. One is asking me how much is it going to pay, so I can just leave my fasting and pray for her this thing. These are people that will come here on telecast. They will be calling us fake. For back. Okay, let me pray. There's one deliverance I put on the air. That woman I delivered in Onitsha. That was in Anambra State. The woman, her mother was very sick. He can't even walk. He can't even walk. But now it's okay. Someone is calling me. Okay, who is calling me? If you're calling for the program, you can call again. Listen very well. I never once jealous of Ebuka Obi. Just get it right. I'm only here to save my people. If I did not preach, anytime, you know how many times I said I will not talk about Ebuka Obi again. I will not talk about Roman Catholic. Hi. But what is my game? Why did I come? My message is simple. Why did I come? I only came for 2 messages. My message is to destroy the kingdom of darkness. 2 points. I came to win 3 billion souls that God said I should win. And that 3 billion soul, 2 billion soul, they are inside Church of Satan. Why the other people, 1 billion soul, they are in the world. So our mission is just different. It's not like we're jealous of anybody. No. I never jealous of you. Money. Come on, what are you talking about? Do you know how rich I am before I came to minister? Somebody who has seen TB Joshua, see a Deboy, see a local, see winners. Do you know how much I spend in the church? Do you think you think I'm a hungry prophet? No church I go, I don't see the Jew. Back I've given me seed. Nobody, all this one, I've seen the one-on-one. They cannot solve my problem. Before I know that this is not they can't solve my problem. When I was battle with the kingdoms, you know, this is a long time story, which I cannot say on this video. But I'll just let emphasis. I'm not here an ordinary. I was shot 7 bullets. I'm supposed to be living in London now. I came back 2005 from London. I went to African China Welcome Back Party. I was shot. As I was coming back, they sent a higher assassin to kill me. Well, who do that? Well, that was my brothers. My brothers from the east. They sent me higher assassin. Why? Because I was topping shots. So you want to talk about famous? Do you know who you're talking about? I was famous that people are coming from Canada, from America. Long time now, far back in 2003, people are coming from all over the world to interview me. You think I just came out today? You think I make my money from church? No. Go and ask who I am. My name is Don Supremo. Go and ask people who I follow it up. When I'm already multi-millionaire, Ebuka never see 1 naira in his account, or even Akozayam. I don't talk right. Go and ask people. Go and ask questions. We don't come for church. We come to see people. Hey, come and sow seed. Come and pay tax. No. Whatever I ask you to do is what I did it. If I say do spiritual work, you know what I did? That's what I learned. That's how I taught. That's my doctrine. We are Sabbath to believe in spirituality, and that's a work. You go and fast on days fasting and prayer, you will die. Some will get ulcer, some will die along the line. Probably that will kill somebody within 3 days. You say go and fast on days, something they can stand now and end it. We are the people that if you have a problem now, come, they will give you a solution now. Within 3 days, that problem will be over. You say go and fast for 100 days. The person will die there now. Are you crazy? Are you talking to... The other man that, yes, you know, okay, that's done. I use helicopter. Cabin helicopter 2008. Which year? 2005. That movie cost me like 20 million Jadon. I can't go and watch it. You know, I don't want to come. Hey, come they make. I know they live fake life. Do you know level I'm Yes. Do you know the level I'm If I want to come and say, make come the show. Now if I see, don't see what happened to Aqua, I want them. Then even documenting my boy, no see the package, you know see the kind of way they show. And maybe in your girl. But others are not wanting to freak me. First house, I bought this house in 2005 in Lekki. Oh, you know what they talk to? Not gonna leave all those things. Yeah, you get money. See, I'm not saying because we no get money. The money where you get now from people. No people they give them billion. Who they will give billion where hand no go rise? Now the billion where they give and make and the thing say don't pass it back. Now the billion where they give and then they make and still say don't pass other people. Because nobody they give us such money. We they struggle by ourselves. And you know say. The blessing of God make rich, I don't know so. So you can't. You know my capacity. No. See, every time Ebuka, no, I want to stop it now. I'm trying to stop, but the spirit no green make us stop. You know, they did what they did to me. They would have Ebuka Obi them would have killed me. They would have taken my life, just that they could not do it. Listen, you know this thing. You know, you people are just emotional blackmail like that. You know, you don't know what this guy they did to me. You don't know what they did to me. I cried. And I swear, I say, I will make sure I deal with them. And I did it. So you don't know what it is. Somebody did. You just come and, hey, he's jealous of you. You join. Why will you join? Were you there in 2022? Where are you when I was laying all over the whole place? When are you when I walk or challenge the pastor of the land and when I came out, I stood. I was fighting all Chibo, all those Paul Chibo, all of them was watching how Akwa will kill me. I am the one that told all the native doctor, I'm going to end you people. Give me 3 years. And that is 3 years, 2025. Everything end. Me and fight. Because Milan said the same thing that Akwa said. Milan said he's preparing sham to what? For pastor. JCM said the same thing. All of them were saying the same. Why are they saying it? So they try to divert many people to their side, thinking that that's what Ebuka Obi is doing. Ebuka Obi want to label everybody fake. He label us fake, so people think it's a real. No, come and prove it, man. Come on, Ebuka Obi, come out and prove it. How Meditate become real and where Yahweh is fake. Come and tell us how Roman Catholic that came out from, that steal from Sabbath become real and Sabbath become fake. How did you become mother of church? No, tell me. Nothing about Roman Catholic that is real. Everything is fake. Sunday worship is false. Christmas is false. Everything you do is false. Praying to Rosary, praying to Mary, all of them are false. Why I'm saying this, I don't say it before. Even when I know those, I don't say it. But since you people came out to begin to rubbish Sabbath people, I came to defend the Sabbath. I am a spiritual warlord. Because Sabbath people don't talk out, so don't come out, they speak. Even when I come out, some of the Sabbath, I should go punish you. That is not the way Sabbath do. They used to keep quiet, so the quiet to kill you there. Because of the quiet, that's why people are labeling you occult. Because of the quiet, that's why if you go to water to do the thing that is written in the Bible, a fake prophet like Ebuka Obi will come and be say, if you go to water, you are fake. So people will see you as fake and you accept that. Chukwu, I am not part of that Sabbath. I am a new generation. So I am the spiritual leader of Gospel of Truth, Revival, Prophetic Revival Movement, Solution to 7 Igbo from Powers of Darkness. The first prophet of Sabbath that came out online challenged everybody, challenged all the occultic people. Okay, I'm following me where you challenge Akwa. Okay, God bless you. So how come Ebuka Obi they can't talk say I do this thing? I did not challenge Akwa. It's Akwa that challenged all the pastors. Akwa said if any pastor talk, he will die within 4 days. Everybody ran away. And if we did not if I did not come out to challenge Akwa, today nobody can talk. Is it because everything have ended? Why ask Ebuka Obi, why was he when Akwa was challenging everybody? Not gonna leave all those things. Not gonna leave all those things when they do. Give honor who to honor is due to. Don't come and give honor to who does not deserve it. Because I'm not a Roman Catholic. Roman Catholic kill you there. Roman Catholic is inside the Bible. What is in the Bible is synagogue. Roman Catholic is inside the Bible. Mary was there. Roman Catholic. No. Come and prove it. Come and prove it. Jesus Christ was there. Roman Catholic. No. He's a Sabbath keeper. Come and prove it. How he became Roman Catholic. The Bible was given to people on Sabbath. Come on, everything you do is steal from people and turn it. That's why Ebuka can want to hijack. The battle I fought, they almost killed me. I fought more than 10,000 native doctors. This idiot come out after I finished the battle. I said I want to go and rest. He now came out and do program. Say, "Oh, you want to kill." So to look at his one fighting because he's very smart. You look at what I was in training. I was all over the whole world. So he want to train. He now use that Okike to enter. Show me how Ebuka Obi take fight Okike. Show me how I take jealous of him. If you know the same, see the reason why Ebuka Obi started fighting me. Let me tell you now. I give him Mbaka give a prophecy. Mbaka said that Peter Obi will not win, and we know that the first election I voted is Peter Obi. We all know that we needed change, and Peter Obi came out. Mbaka is one that put us in this problem. Truth to be told, I'm not Mbaka's fan, but when I come to the truth. Like what Ebuka Obi they did to Mbaka with Okune, and I can't support that. They are betrayers. Betrayers are betrayers. I will say it. But that doesn't mean Mbaka is perfect. But see where Mbaka miss it. The same way Ebuka Obi is doing now is what Mbaka did. From Jonathan and Buhari, because of money Mbaka will get, he sell our brother. He destroy our brother. Jonathan say it's a bad luck. Buhari is answering prayer because of money that he said he expected to get. Because Jonathan did not come and give him billions. Now, everybody believe Mbaka is a warlord. Once Mbaka speak, he has spoken. Then we just see the man. If you talk, everybody go to follow. Because now Catholic, the people fool, they follow. But was it the truth? That wasn't the truth. That's a false prophecy. He can give a false prophecy come to pass. That's why I'm here to tell you. Any prophet that tell you you're going to die, run for that church. They turn it back to him. Don't accept it. If you accept it, you will die. Any pastor If anybody tell you you're going to die as a prophecy, if you don't cancel it, tell him you're the one that's going to die. It's a spirit of what? Witchcraft, serpentine spirit. Go and type Condorino. If you type Condorino, you see the snake. That is Queen of Favor. Condorino speaks. So, you're going to, anybody go, they say you're going to die. Run for your life. That is the first prophecy. No true prophet that will tell you that you're going to die. Any prophet that will preach you that you're going to die is a prophet of Satan. Because that is Satan. Satan come to kill and to do what? To destroy. Matthew 10:10. But it says Jesus come to do what? To save life. So any prophet that you're going to die, he carry motor, you're going to die. What about the time you did not go to that church? Did you die? Until you go to one useless sign of Satan, they tell you you're going to die. What about the time you have not gone to that church? Why you not die? Get sense. Don't accept false prophecy from demons. We know these things. That's why as he challenged me, we bounce on him. As he called me fake, he don't know that I have the history of Roman Catholic. Everything I have this. The demon came down and promised me billion. I have people that are drinking blood on the ground. They call Central Kingdom. They came, they promised me billion. They told me, oh, this is my house. That time, my SR problem. Hey, this is my house. He has it. That I shall accept. They will build a house. See, let me tell you. There's a woman they brought. They drink the woman blood. If you put her blood, finish. Don't worry. Watch out. If you put this, I will show you all those things. People that don't believe in spirituality, don't worry. I will show you videos. Then I will show you the little girl. What take me to detention? Well, I spent 21 days in detention. I spent 27 days in Aja. Then I spent in Panti. You know, say where you don't reach Panti, you know, it's a skills case. I spent 14 days in Panti. Then before I came out. How did I come out? He's God. Now arrest him. This girl now, 2020, far back, like I don't know the year. When the girl was like, the girl died in 2018. When she was small, they killed her mother. Who killed her mother? Their family people. Now, when the girl came, I was preaching in the bus. Then I used to preach from Lagos. I will enter BLT to Oshodi if I don't want to drive. Because driving traffic will be too much. So if I drive finish, I don't go preach. So what I will do, I carry my public speaker, I'll enter BLT, I will preach inside the bus and go. So as I was preaching, talking about those spiritual things, so the girl came and said snake used to bite her in the dream. Snake used to bite her. So I share my numbers on the train, on the bus traveling to Oshodi. I will go and preach in Oshodi. Then I come back in the evening. I used to do that because that's my assignment. So my leg used to pain me. So if I refuse to preach, my leg will start paining. If I preach finish, the thing will stop. Yes. Let me tell you, no, most people say, somebody say, are you married? You can't speak, and they walk out on the street. They don't know what I'm facing. Because long time ago, my 3 brothers died. They are supposed to die. Dog bite me. Dog bite my leg, want to paralyze. So before I now do some spiritual, they not told me if I want to live, I have to do this work I'm doing now. I have a brother, they're billionaires. But me, because of this work, my family deserted me. I said, that's not my problem, man. That's not my problem. You know, people talk, hey, I'm not from poor family. I have brothers, they are billionaires. They have hotel all over the whole place. One person can even build the church if I want, but I don't want. Because I don't want anybody to come and control me or say, if not my help. No, you can't help God. Keep your money. I've rejected billions. When I say I rejected billions, I've rejected cars. I rejected jeeps. Go and ask us, go and do research with the photo talk. It isn't today. I dashed 10 buses in one day, 2006. It is say they follow one small this thing. And they travel, they go to Singapore. Then I'm with them import lights. Go Alaba International, go and ask who are they. They import lights, all those mercury lights from Singapore. From Dubai, they go buy all those gold and many things they say. So that's why if somebody come talk, I go look, I go laugh. Highest you do to me now, you carry police, I'll arrest me. If I go there, I'll come out, I'll arrest you back. Because what's the essence of making money? The money you make, I have from my lawyer. My lawyer says something, is a woman. He will tell me that this life you see is all about know your rights and they don't let anybody to intimidate you, don't look for trouble, don't force. I never give force narrative to anybody. If I talk now, I say, hey, go be the key people. That's force. But if I say you're worshiping Mary, you're worshiping Satan, that's not force. That's not blackmail. He can't prove it. He can't even defend it. If you go to Israel, they will jail you. If Ebuka Obi put his leg in Israel and read that separate, say Yahweh is Satan, they will arrest you, put you inside prison. Our mass leader, come on, let us go to Israel. Come and say Yahweh is Satan. They will put you inside prison. He will not come out, they will store your life. That is it. So you don't just come out and begin to think, Sabbath is like a Muslim. Sabbath is like Muslim. They don't take nonsense. That's why I see. Have you heard that Muslim people went to Sabbath and kill somebody? Show me one place you hear that Muslim people went to Sabbath and break their church. It's not possible. It's not possible. Reason why Muslims cannot do that. They know that Sabbath to worship the Almighty Yahweh, Elohim. Sabbath is the only people that bow head on the ground with Muslims. So they see them as the same family. Because all of them came out from Sabbath. John and Marketry came out from Sabbath, wanted to shine at the master. And they killed many people. They killed 6 million Jews who killed them. They are Roman Catholic. The same Roman Catholic is in there. They have been killing people for a very long time. If you not be God, Ebuka Obi, then they follow. They are crew, they don't kill me. I know the talker. Do you know the threat? Do you know the police? Do you know the prank? The time they prank to arrest me first, they arrested J-Pack. Then the time they prank to arrest me, they have problem. Let me tell you. There's a power. Don't say there's no power. There's a power. If not so, I'll be inside prison before jail. They say, before they arrested Matthias and me, they want to arrest because what if Matthias talk? Matthias not talk this way without talking now. Matthias not talk this way. Matthias just they talk with Jesus. Matthias not understand the spiritual side where they talk. Now maybe they expose the mystery behind Mary. Matthias know they talk about Mary, say they talk about Jesus. No. That was Jesus as smart. Now Mary be the main key. Now be the main demon. Now be the occultic Freemason. When I hit them, all of them went mad. Do you know Reverend Fathers that are coming from America, from Canada, from every over the whole world? Reverend Fathers. Do you know? So you people don't understand. You don't know what I've done for you people. You don't know what I've done to you. If it's before that I say that thing, Ebuka become and say, you see the way people are talking. I will say that thing before with 50 million. I say, but they don't come out. You see the thing, don't they come down. People don't know the truth. That Mary set up. See it here. Is the money. That is that spiritual wife you're facing. The spiritual husband is that Jesus, that fake Jesus. That's why Master Nadkari told you, if you're going to church, you're going to hellfire. If you're going to church on Sunday, you're going to hellfire. That's what Master Nadkari told you. Why do you think he said that? Sabbath is not be church, not be religion. Sabbath is a spirituality. It's a way of living. It's like ordinary. Sabbath is the original tradition. Yes, tradition. You don't need to go and that's why sometimes I look at Matthias. I say, Matthias, now many times Matthias say, you don't get to where they worship. That's how many they fight. Now my word are here before you go open that church. When you open 2022, 2023, now you don't open church. I laugh. As Matthias, you don't even get to where they gather people. They preach about this phenomenon. Before I know it, Matthias go lodge, go open church. I laugh. If Matthias, see, let me Ebuka Obi cannot stand me in challenge. Massive no fit stand me in challenge. Matthias no fit stand me in challenge because I go challenge, I go prove him. I go challenge, I go prove him. If I say Mary is Satan, I go prove her like a woman I deliver her from satanic power of Mary. Which nobody can do that. He can't. Ebuka Obi cannot deliver people that is having covenant with Mary. He can't. He can't. Show me one person. That's why I say, show me one person where we say he deliver from marine kingdom that is free. It can't be free. That's the same thing. He can fall down 10 times, 100 times and break it. You're not free from that demon. We fought. The girl, the person I married is a Roman Catholic. Is Mbaka. I marry Mbaka daughter. Okay? But that doesn't mean I cannot speak the truth. She almost died by the Mary. They used to suck her abroad now. That's Nigerian man. God saved her. God brought her to. I know date my wife for one day. Now problem can I call God say her. I was already never married. I got that free. I don't marry, but I'm not a woman person. I feel sleep with woman once in a year or 2 times. Not be every day I come there sleep. I know. I am a spiritual man. That's my price I paid. So I don't live with woman. Woman don't even cook for me. Yeah, even when my wife does. Because when my woman is on menstruation, if you check her now, see how many days woman the day free. The woman now enter menstruation, 7 days she go there off. That 7 days, I don't feel eat what she they cook. And if you enter where I day, everywhere don't they define. So that's why prophets, a true prophet, no, they live with their wife. They stay separate with this. So many of you have to understand. That's why it is. That's why people like Elijah, Moses, most of them they are not always. This is a tax. That's why Sabbath is not like Pentecost. Pentecostal can do the way they like. Pentecostal can do the way they like. They marry, they go out and sleep with different girls. they don't keep holy, they don't do that one, they don't do anything, they say grace. We don't believe in those things. There's grace, but God said, can you keep on sinning that grace in Bible? We know those things. I study Bible, see my Bible, this is my covenant Bible, see it. You see it? Why I carry this Bible? This Bible used to talk. If I open it now, it will tell me some things. This is the Bible I used for 40 days and 40 nights. I used for 5 years on the mountain. This is my covenant Bible. On the back of this Bible, I wrote everything they are showing me. I wrote so many things. Now, if we want to talk now, you say we hate somebody. We don't hate anybody. We're trying to address error. If you see what I'm doing, that is error, tell me. If you say I do spiritual work, which spiritual work can do? You see me, I carry Omo, I cut it. Are you not using Omo in your house? In your church? Use Omo in your Pan Sunday, use it. Then if I not carry it and cut it, what is different? Did you see me killing chicken or killing goat? Okay, I don't do those things. But I'm going to do it. If I'm doing Passover, we meant to do it. But because I don't do it, doesn't mean people that are doing it are fake, you know. All the Sabbath, that is the doctrine in the Bible. So that I don't kill cow, I don't kill goat, I don't kill chicken. That doesn't mean if I see somebody that killing chicken is fake. No. That person that killing that chicken is even more righteous than you because you follow what is written in the Bible. You don't kill chicken, but you are not caught. Many of you are homosexual, many of you are lesbian, most of you are sleeping with somebody's wife. And you come on the internet, you talk nonsense, so we are afraid of you. Do you know the holiness that people that are Sabbath that keep? Can you keep it? No reverend father can keep the laws of Sabbath people. He can't. What can you do? No reverend father can keep the law of Sabbath people. That's why a little baby in the Sabbath can become more powerful than you think. There is no juju. It's the covenant they keep. Do you know what it is? Saturday, they no go cook. Friday, they no go cook again for their house till the next day. Can you do it? They no go buy something. Try do one covenant. You know what in the covenant? Friday now, from Friday, people that do raw Sabbath, they don't cook in their house. They don't go anywhere till Saturday evening. He can't cook, he can't go anywhere, he can't buy something on the market, he can't go. Do you know the kind of bondage is that? You think Sabbath is just come and crap and drink more to this one. They sleep on top stone. And they sleep on the rock. Inside bush, snake enter me and catch fire. Who they talk this to me? You go inside house, pour stone. Go and sleep inside bush now. Now inside house, Elijah sleep. Now inside house, Moses sleep. Now inside house, Abraham them. Where them? Elisha them, Daniel them. Now inside cave, go cave and go and sleep. So you can meet Satan. So you can meet snake. So you can meet dragon. So you can meet lion. If they don't eat you, go eat them. So when you talk, come inside house and pour white stone. They sleep on top. Say, what is that one mean? As his Chinese talk. I've stepped on the mountain for 5 years. Snake came and climbed me and caught fire. That's the queen of heaven. That time you see demon, they will send you snake. You confirm that demons are coming. You confirm whether you get power or not. You don't know that these are they will send snake to come and kill you. As I am now, snake cannot bite me. If any snake that bites me will die. Yes. You think they are not sending snake to me? What do you think those Roman Catholics use to people? Those occultic men, what they use is snake. All the things Ebuka Obi know how to do, you have tried it. All the things Baka know how to do, you have tried it on me. All the things Akwoko know how to do, you have tried it on me. All the things Matthias know, all the things they know, they tried. All of them, they have tried everything they know how to do to me. You think I'm ordinary, you're a fool to think there's no power. Come on now. No, on camera, begin to call their name. Forget about police. What thing they will do you? If you know, I don't bring them down. Okay, so you don't know the Anambra State. And today, Okike starts. Not me go Anambra State, say, I come with a program, I say, Agune Chamber will destroy all those things. So you don't know the Anambra State since. Why no startup? Now, something, they trigger something. Ebuka Obi know this since who they hear. Not me bring and come out for internet. If no be say Mbaka Church, I say they will close Mbaka Church. People say, Mbaka no be Mbaka. Before 7 days, they close Mbaka Church. Now they know say, no be joke, and a joke. That's why Ebuka Obi became aggressive. Say, who Mbaka? Who be this boy? They begin to frame me up. They begin to blackmail me. They begin to say I'm fake. They begin to see. I'm telling you now how it starts. Many of you don't know. Why do you think Ebuka Obi know the talk if I talk? He knows what he did. And they have tried me, finally they can't do me nothing. If you try otherwise, the family will wipe out. Dead or alive. Can't do me nothing. I am a spiritual warrior. I came for a mission. You think, do you know how many followers? Me that if I'm online like this, I will see more than 50,000 people, 30,000 people watching at the same time. All of a sudden, the page was hacked down and they begin to blackmail me. And I told JPAC, I will hear from me. Didn't you hear from me? It's not JPAC, I give them woto. I give JPAC, Ebuka Obi, and the Akosa, 3 of them. I said, I must bring all of you to down. I told them. I showed them the night I did the prayer. In only 7 days, everywhere, while everywhere. Before you know it's a problem everywhere. Back and Ebuka Obi, problem, Ebuka Obi ran. Ebuka Obi for that. He run, go Italy, go join Freemason. Why did he run to go to Italy? He did not do program. He just overnight, he run. That time is when he's supposed to die. He now went to covenant. That's why he went to pray to those graves. He went to enter to collect power from the dead people. Let me tell you this thing. You think we're fools? You think we're fools? Why you not go Italy since? Now one man they fight. When he say I will take him. He ran overnight. Run to Italy. Went to pray to Saint Depadia. He went to pray to that grave. That's the highest covenant anybody can enter for Roman Catholic. He now went to join him because then backup have left him. So don't come and say we no get power. We no get what. It is an akara that they fear. This money you have, see, let me tell you. God told me that if I want this power, because I asked what I asked, I'm not even interested in the church. See, let me tell you, I swear to my God. I'm not that interested in church. This is the first to me. Don't worry. If I go to Anambra, I said, I will tell you the people that told me if I don't do this work, I will die. I never put them on it. These are people that, the part of people that helped me. There are many, not one person. Because when I was there, I did my own 7 days dry fasting, did my spiritual prayer. Then God will now review this man, the Yoruba man, this is the Babarara. I was in the Anambra state on the mountain when I was praying. Babarara was coming, carrying bell. So the man was carrying the bell. I was, where is this man? What is this? Every time I'm seeing him. I told the bishop, say, I used to see one man that used to come from mountain. Say, I should come to mountain. You know, I'm on trance. I've been seeing it. Because of you who don't believe in spirituality. Don't worry, I will go and meet this man. This man now is stronger than a passing back at them. But it's not that this thing. You know, people that come by rich. Don't want to talk about holy prophet. He's one of number 1 holy prophet. But you don't know him. Don't worry, I will show you. I will show you. He used to go to America and go to many places. But it's in Nigeria, and I think he came back because of the Passover. I will show you. I will show you people. I'm not showing you. I will show you people. The video I made with him is in my phone that I lost last two months. I went to Abuja, so I lost my iPhone after broke the line. So I will show you. So I used to be on the mountain. If I was praying like this, I'll see Babalala to carry bell. Oh, tall mountain. Come to mountain. I don't know. That thing repeat itself. One day I can't see the name. CAC. I saw the name. So now I can't get problem. I did fast. They do this in my ministry. As I started to know that I did fast. For this thing. When they call animal stay, within the corner side. After we got sacked, so I did there like some months. I paid for bungalow, stay there. And they do at the fast. They come the view. Threatening now they show me one day because they pray about this many. And they pray because now the man don't face me tell me say all those in back of them, this one make I leave them. Say all those one because they still say with the kind knowledge where the man gets, with the kind power where he gets, with the kind vision where they see, why they don't feel be like Mbaka? Why they don't feel be like let me remember the name. Please so me. What's me there? Class embassy. Why they no go feel be like Onyedepo? So I told the man, say, because at the same say this man they get all those things. I make I give my advice. I know say working our spirit now more. So I can't tell us all these things. I say this idea where people they give me now. Now you they make people not like you. No they do like this. I don't laugh. People say, I want to package you, make you do less like this. I say, leave all those things. That is not the work. This work different. This is I represent kingdom. And they represent kingdom. So that kingdom need to know, say, they represent, this is where they come from. Once you see this thing, originality, you know, say Sabbath get this thing. Once you hear Zion, Sabbath get them. So any other thing where they do, once you see separate, you know, say the Catholic originality. So if I hold separate now, come they talk. People don't say I don't be Catholic. I just carry separate. Now so it be like Ebuka Obi. If they talk Zion, people don't say you're not Zion. You're just hijacking the name, using it to defraud people. That you're not Zion. Yes, if you go to search, check the history of Zion. Who are the Zionites? Zionites are Jews. Are you Jew? Are you keeping covenant? Are you keeping ordinances? Are you doing Passover? Are you doing, what are you doing? Are you doing new moon? You're not doing nothing. What are you concerned? How do you claim Zion? Zion, where is Zion? Zion is what? It's Jerusalem. The city of David in Israel. So how come you're doing something of Roman Catholic and you're going for Israel and taking their name? That is not the same thing. So what is that? So what we talk it, he can't challenge it, he can't defend it, he can't even stand it. Okay, so we coming to rising people talk, yeah, we're jealous, yeah, jealous of every, jealous of every, jealous of what now? Jealous of what? What? You never even buy private jet. You know jealous we get private jet. You know jealous Jeremiah we get private jet. Now Ebuka Obi we say they dash money yesterday. Nah, we're gonna leave all this thing. Where shall? You know, say Igbo own the day different. Ebuka Obi connected, started his own problem. Ebuka Obi came, he want to run everybody down. See, he that, you know, Mazen Narkari came out. He began to talk many things. Everything he talks, some are real, some are truth. Most of them are truth. But in the actually the truth, that why they hate him. Everybody, almost all the billionaires, all the old men, that especially I know what I know in Lagos, all the people that make it hate Mazen Narkari before. Truth be told. Why? Because they feel Mazen Narkari want to destroy Nigeria. That's why the hate come. Reverend fathers, bishop, Christians, all of them. Because in the talk say, if you don't come, no men, this woman and way you see matters they do now. Well, I talk with them. Mazen Narkari preach about women and which is the truth. But this woman and what they do now, was it the same thing that Mazen Narkari preach? No. Mazen Narkari preach women and he said, I know they worship idol. He told you, I worship Yahweh. I believe in ordinary. He not told you to. Mazen Narkari no get idol where they worship. Now you go to Chukwu, Abiama, like they call upon. But now, when Aqua they come out to me, then we know the matters they come and they bring another format. That was not the preach that we preach. Sabbath is already tradition. That's why you see, no Sabbath na chuaja, can do menana, hana eme feast, all those kind of things. So almost Sabbath and the menana about the same thing, nothing different. That's why it was Shelby Ogembebubo, and after the Sabbath as and a war. Mana, they receive Sabbath as occultic because of the practice, but that's not all. That is the nation. They understand spirituality, they understand nation. Etu amadi say I got charge now. We supposed to have a bench charge. I supposed to have it. We used to do that a long time. 1997, I had a charge. I'm trying to build a city. Well, I'm gonna charge. Bench charge. Like this month now, I got a charge. Passover. What is the Passover? Because we are not doing Passover now. You don't know why we answer Zion. Zion is a city of the Holy God, people of Israel. Now, what is Passover? It's called redemption, deliverance. Redemption is when the children of Israel came out from the bondage. It's unremarkable. God said, do this thing from generation to generation to remember the covenant I have with you. That's why this Passover, if you go to Israel now, it's like December, everyone is preparing for the Passover. Everyone will shut down. Go and ask people. Go on the internet. They are preparing. They are on the feast of Passover. There is another feast of Passover, feast of trumpet, and the new moon. All these are the celebration that they did in the wilderness. Jesus Christ did it. All the apostles followed Jesus to eat the last bread. That bread they eat now. Now, you must not turn it every Sunday. Every Sunday. No. That is once a month. And that one is coming next month. Not Easter. Now, this time for them to do that one, the Bible said they should do. They put another one. They say Jesus Christ come and die on the cross. Jesus never died on the cross. Jesus Christ died on the tree. That cross is see. That cross has been into existence. It's Egyptian from Egypt. Now, who brought that cross to the Roman light was Constantine. Constantine, the Roman emperor, was sleeping in a dream, in a trance, and saw cross. That cross is to conquer the whole nation. To conquer the whole nation. That's the demon revealed to him how to conquer the whole world. He now bring that crucified, killed almost 6 million Jews, buried many people alive. They buried more than 17 million people in Vatican City. What do you know about Vatican City? Cross. Go and do research. Don't tell how can I go to Vatican? You call yourself a prophet. They go to where the bury skulls and the human being alive and demons. They thought it's only Saint Padre they buried there. They buried more than 17 innocent souls in Vatican City. Go and do research. That is the highest of occultic and the highest order in the world. You thought that we are here for ordinary thing. We are here to... Do you know when Pope start having problem? When Pope want to change 10 Commandments in 2020, I told him, Pope, when you change 10 Commandments, you want to relax the commandment of God. That's when he entered. After he finished that, he entered paralyzed. He said, God knows this. After he do that and finish, where he going to change 10 Commandments, he has problem. He will stand on the wheelchair. Listen very well. There's some things we don't pass to the fear, all those nonsense. Listen very well. Any pastor that is arresting people with police, number one, is fake. It's a criminal, it's a thief. Normally, if it's a weird thing is working, that pastor should be arrested and put inside lifetime prison. Because this Bible, there is something that he taught. He taught to expose evil. He taught to speak the truth. I can't come out and arrest Matthias now. If I feel Matthias is saying something that is not right, it's correction I can do. I can take a debate just to enlighten him. You see, the Muslim will come and debate with Christian. They will tell you that they cannot worship Jesus. Not only Matthias, that's I've been into existence. I've read the Quran. So Muslims, they believe in Jesus, so but they call it Isa. And they don't believe say is God, is a prophet. Now, people of Jew don't believe say Jesus is God, is a prophet. That is the difference now. But Christians, they tell us now Jesus is God. No. That is the problem. So but if I teach it now, I say I'm an antichrist. Sometimes I'll just down tune, just to step down. Nobody say I don't know, say Jesus is not God. Jesus can be God. Jesus is not God. He never claimed to be God. Read the whole Bible. We can never see a prayer that Jesus claimed to be God. He said, I am my Father and one. If you love me, keep my commandment, keep my Father commandment. And when they ask him, teach us how to pray, to know whether his prayer is it different from God. I don't know if he prayed before Jesus come. No. People of Israel, people of Rabbi, they have been praying for many years before Jesus come. But when they now find out his own pattern is different, he's changing something, they ask him, Master, means Rabbi, teach us how to pray. So they are waiting to see that prayer that you always say every time you want to pray, every time you want to pray. So because they can't understand if he says something happen. Rabbi, please teach us that your prayer used to pray. That if you pray, that a miracle will happen. Teach us. He told them, our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come. Let your will be done on earth. The same prayer they know before. It's the same thing I taught them. He never prayed in the name of Jesus. He never prayed in the name of Yeshua. He never prayed in the name of Mary. He never called anybody's name. He called the name of the Almighty. That's me. He cannot pray. He said, Mary, pray for me. Who is Mary? Who is Mary to pray for me? God punish that Mary there. Mary is like, I am more powerful than Mary because Mary have died and I am alive. Yes. Somebody that is dead cannot be powerful than somebody that is living. That's what they say. Living dog is more what? Is powerful than the dead lion. So Mary have come and died. What is that? He said, downtown now with honor Mary. Who are you free? Stop all those nonsense. This is 21st century. People are making research. You come and be claiming you're a prophet and you other people are fake. You know they sleep with a woman. Meaning what? If you're sleeping with your chinko, and you know they sleep with a woman, Nesimbra they sleep with a woman, Bobisco they sleep with a woman. There's many of people that don't sleep with a woman. He can help. So others are not a criteria. If you say the price I don't pay, you can't pay the price I pay. Can you say can you leave a road for 1 month without having Sabbath? People serving you. Which kind of price pass that one? You cook what you eat, you serve yourself. Can you do that? Can you do it for 1 month? They are worshiping you like God, they escort, they throw you everywhere. The people are doing that. They say which kind of price you pay? You pay which price? You pay nothing, no price you pay. You don't pay nothing. Pay nothing. People will pay prices. Go to mountains, people will pay price. Go to bush and see people that are worshiping God. See their skin and they are swinging money and they collecting billions from people to say they pay price. Those people that are collecting their billions, do you know what they do? Some kill human beings, some occultic people don't. Some they have destroyed. You don't already have glory. They are an occultic person. Which glory they want to take? That is not what he entered. He entered marine king, so he can rule. Let me tell you. I know fear TV just to talk about you. They never born you well. I no fear TB Dr. Jeremiah then. Now you are con the fear. God punish you. They carry my people, they put them on my water. They call it, that's the wine. Come on, prove to us that Mary is not a setup. And that's the wine. You're the fake prophet. You're the original occultic and marine prophet. By everything, by Bible backup. Go and read your Bible. Go and read your Bible. Revelation 3 verse 9. He said, these are the people who claim they are Jew. Why they are all synagogue of Satan? Go and read the Bible. It's there. How will you know them? Say they are liars. Every time Ebuka Obi do fake miracle, if you cut him, he start to lie, defend. Okay, when Ebuka Obi called Waziluke, thinking that Waziluke is sick because Waziluke was not seen anywhere. I saw that video. Waziluke, thinking that Waziluke is sick. I want to paralyze. He was hoping that Waziluke will come and say, "Oh, I have a stroke, that's why I'm not coming out again." He was really disappointed, the idiot. Waziluke come out and say, "I'm okay." Because he was disappointed. And now say, there are so many Waziluke in the whole world. Okay. Now, there are so many Waziluke in the whole world. But all the people that he call Emeka in Anambra State, Nkechi in Enugu State, Obi in Imo State, Nima in Abuja, Philippine, Ngozi, Chika in London, Emeka in America, Ifeoma in UK. So all those that he call, they come out. They are not fake. It's only when somebody come out and debunk it is fake. Like Lovett. Well, Lovett on cast. Okay, we're waiting for Lovet's testimony now. That one are fake. Where the reason why he say we go testify? We're waiting for that one to come out. No, Lovet is fake. That one are fake. Now, the main one where he give prophets that the whole world will see. Show us that one. Now. I be that prophet not the rich. See, you know my own thing now. If I come say, where do you belong? You know they stand with your tradition. You know they stand with the Christian. You know they stand with the Yama. If you guys watch live video of Facebook, they say the same thing to you. Where do you belong? We don't know whether that's Sabbath. No, see, I am not belong anywhere. I belong in the truth. I know they do those old Sabbaths. I know they do. They follow commandment of God. I know they do those old Sabbath practice. That's why if you see one of the ministers, I know they say you must wear white, you must wear blue, you must wear anything you like. But me, I go wear white because I know the meaning of white. Now, if you wear white, they say you are set up. You are this one. But Reverend Father, where they pray for you, know white they wear. Your heads the one where they do your this, not white they wear. Why are they wearing that white? You don't know the meaning. White means purity. So white no means say that you wear white no means say you're a holy person. Devil also can wear white. Bible makes us understand that we be careful. The kingdom of darkness. Angel of darkness have turned himself to angel of. That's why you see satanic power prophet will come and claim to be a righteous prophet. People will be clapping for them. But we know who is who. We know who is who when we see them. You move by the noise. You move by the crowd. But the Bible said the world will reject the truth. If the world will not reject you, you're not his own. How will you know a true prophet? The world must be against you. They must persecute you and they must be against you. That is standard. If the world did not reject you, you're not part of it. You're not even in the kingdom of God. You can't be in the kingdom of God. And I have all the money. I have all the people. So which people will now persecute you? We know about Elijah. Elijah is hungry. All the prophets in the Bible, they're all wretched. They are hungry people. No prophet in the Bible that is rich. None. People that get rich are the prophet of Baal, prophet of Satan. They are all richer. They are all the richer people. People that all the prophets of God they not rich in the Bible because they are spiritual people. It's not a material thing. But they make kings and queens. Show me one of the prophets that's in the Bible that is rich. Most of them they kill them. Most of them also Elijah they wanted to kill Elijah. Elijah ran to cave. He was hungry. Bed. Come and give Elijah food for how many months? What are you talking about? Hey, I have car, I have money, I'm richest prophet. You have all the connection. Your useless Reverend Father, that's supporting you. Hey, you're going to come and talk. Only one talk, you talk, they hammer them, they cry. He said, Roman Catholic. Now you get Roman Catholic is a doctrine of the people get up. If you don't know it, Roman Catholic is a doctrine of people. It's a mafian business. If you don't know it, know it. You don't know it, know it. The thought Roman Catholic is just where I come and talk nonsense. Reason why they leave Ebuka because he's in back at that training. Is it not 2017 they give him a letter to close his church? Mbaka now, because of Mbaka, they free him. Now this Okunelele talk, he thought is by talking. In Mapata. I saw Mapata appear Chakozubo. A woman came to destroy Buddha's church. He cried like chicken. Because I was expecting you to use all the connection I have to go arrest the woman. Why not use all the connection? May they come destroy your church under 1 second. That's why you should show your power. Not because you see the Matthias or you see the Yahweh or you say, I will kill you. Now you see a woman that came to destroy your spiritual father, wife, Ebuka. When I'm not carrying media or say media thing to go arrest the woman. Shame on all of you. Chukwu Papa, okay, bye. We're gonna not go release the jail. All of them are gonna die mystery. You see a woman who come destroy your spiritual father. He carry 20 million and give. You know, use that 20 million and all your collection to go and carry that woman and put inside prison. So we'll clap for you as a strong man. That proves you're nobody in this Nigeria. On that second, if government remember you, you are your Zion. All of you will run away from it. Also, come get Guru Gabogo also. He also just Agbola. The same way just Agbola love for Dubai. I say you go wrong, go Kenya. My mouth no good though. But I'll tell you, say, I truth and I tell you, I don't go lie you. If they tell us now, say nobody feel do anything, nobody feel arrest you. Your spiritual your new spiritual father Okunelele. But a woman came, a woman na you see. Na you man no job. Ya kuru a whole Okunelele. Buru kwa everything jogodorada. Ofeke Ebuka Obi could not do anything. He went there. He will go to Enugu State. He will go to Enugu. Reason he went to Enugu State because say nah the man make and cash out. Say Okunelele come to go about help and packaging ministry cash out well. So now deal they do. So now you don't get any choice not to go here and compensate. This is part of his own money for where they no give him. Say Ebuka Obi they greedy. Now for that Ngoba is supposed to send that like 20 or 50 million. But he no do that one. Now the man can't give him. The man can't give him 1 million. No say Ebuka Obi supposed to give them in return. But Ebuka Obi could not do that. And so now Ebuka Obi just and even the 20 million where he give is small. That's why he say I am doing project. If not, I will do more. Just so the man no go complain. Because all those things that happen to Okunelele is because of Ebuka Obi. Let me tell you now. I'm a prophet. I said it before it happened. That's why they call them Ofeke betrayers. Before they break Okunelele church, I don't talk about already. I said it. Reason why they break Okunelele church is because of Ebuka Obi. Cut it and share it anywhere. Not anybody. Because of that word I went to say. Go and listen to that video. No, I don't post on my word, but I will look for it. I post it. Okunelele came say Roman Catholic did not belong to your father, not belong to your mama, not be your mother church, not be go tell somebody with what way go. What does it mean? You're trying to tell them they are nothing. So that's why, since Roman Catholic no get anything to do, that's why when the woman came to meet the bishop give and go ahead to go and destroy it. Since Roman Catholic no get any power to do anything, so why will you come and why would we protect you? Akro church here, Akro investment here, chakacha, bah. I want to tell you, I am a spiritual. I will tell you where they think rich. Now what happened to them and the cause of that thing. Now what in voice out. Now that's the way you talk about Ebuka to protect Ebuka. I want to make them because say when the one collect that man land before, that was 2 years ago. It is Mbaka that interfere. Mbaka begin to shout, they leave him. But now they betray Mbaka that helping them. So Mbaka don't move a hand. So Ebuka Obi saying get another man way strong. Say pass Mbaka this one. For where? Nothing. Okunelele 1 million no reach father Mbaka. Ebuka, if you want to get sense, Mbaka is the warlord. Go and join him back. Let me tell you. We know who be who. Forget it. You can't carry arrows. If you carry all the arrows, see this all Jerome they do. If you carry arrows, no mean say you don't destroy the demon. You can make that demon to become more powerful and kill the whole family. Let me tell you. You know what I can. Let me tell you, share this, cut it and share it. Don't invite anybody, useless leveling father or leveling evangelist to come and carry idol your father. He doesn't have the power to do it. Why? Because this is ancient powers, ancestral powers. Somebody come and when no keep holy, when the worship setup will come and remove Satan in your house. Allah, Maybe after 3-5 years, the kind of problem we want to go face for that family will be worst. Before you can remove those things in your family, you must look for a covenant prophet that understands ordinary and spirituality. Now, if somebody come now, like me now, I do deliverance, you don't see me. I don't deliver millions of people. How many people don't see me one-on-one? And you know, say, they spend million. I want a number, say we spend million. Where do we get the money? Most of the money came from partners. And these partners are people that we did something and they work for them. They came back and support. That's why me, if you come and say, pay for partner, pay for the spiritual item, maybe buy rice, buy salad, I'll use it and do the thing. Where you work, most of them are the one that sponsoring this. I program I want to travel that they will want to sponsor. Now, the last place you can do fraud is online. Because this one now, nobody said that they come church, they deceive them. No. Somebody there in America, somebody there in Ugu, somebody there in Abuja, somebody say, I have problem, and they have sickness. They send the money, you do the thing, finish. If you don't work, all of them will come out on internet, they shout, man. You know the work, you know the work, you know the Nigeria, go collect their money, some 200,000, some 500,000, some 100,000. Try it now. All of them will come out on the internet and begin to shout. Nothing like, it can't fake reality. It can't fake reality. There's a woman at the river from Mary Queen of Heaven in Onitsha. Let me pray that one. I just posted it yesterday. Because of why I posted that video, I have many like that. Because of people where they talk say, if I don't show you, you go say na lie. If I show you, you go say na fake. So it's better for me to show you, you go say na fake, no problem. I don't say, clear conscience, fear no accusation. Okay? Because I don't want to hear the truth. Power. Chukwu gozie unu. Ọ Chukwu ka dibịa. Chukwu ka dibịa. Ọkara mmadụ ọkara mmụọ. Power. Mmụọ na-apụ ọ ga-eji eje ahịa ruo ịnọchie n'ụzọ akwatu ohu and spiritual world power. Okwu ekwuchara nwa iyi fear not nwa Chineke because he that will go majority. We have come to bring down the kingdom of darkness. We have come, and even know that there is one true God. His name is Chukwu. Elohim, Adonai. We don't pray to Mary. We don't pray to white Jesus. We pray to Almighty Yahweh. Chineku Suneke Ndiaya. Esane betara ogu. But ogu bachiri uzo. Anu anabe wana bani. Chukwu Kadibia. You will be a multi-billionaire, my brother, my son. No power over you. We have come to expose and to put out, to tear down the kingdom of darkness. Marika Bosa Nabosa. Share the telecast, God bless you. Everybody share. Share the telecast, God bless you. Chineke gozie unu. Ụmụ Chineke egwu atụrụ nụ. Chineke so karịrị occult, Kalinda Mosu, and Kali fake prophet and fake evangelist. We have come that you may know the truth and truth shall set you free. Book of Hosea said, my people are perishing for lack of knowledge. My people are destroyed for lack of knowledge. And book of John said, you shall know the truth and truth shall set you free. You're welcome to Zion City. The New Jerusalem. Zion of the truth. Marika Bosha.
I want to move on this place. There is a covenant she made out. The man again.
God bless you. I want to now pray this video of this Roman Catholic woman. What I want to pray it is, when I say I challenge anybody that will prove that Mary is not set up, 100 million. If you can go to Israel, you can prove it, 100 million naira. Then I want to show you a woman. I have them uncountable, but I want to show you the one I just posted yesterday. Okay? So, those who don't understand what we are doing. Okay, we think we're chasing crowd. We don't chasing crowd. I'm only here to save my people from Ebuka Obi, them that leading people astray into my own kingdom in name of we have crowd or have people, have money. No, that is not it. We want to show you the true God. I came to preach this. This is why I came. I came to treat him. You accepted one. I preach about native doctors and not court. You accepted it. But I preach about fake prophets now in the church of Satan. He said no, you don't want, because you believe that you know it all. You don't know it all. The same man who exposed Okike, I'm telling you now, the same lady that you worship, I set up. Why wouldn't you accept it? He said, I'm jealous. So when I'm talking about alcohol, I'm jealous of it. When I'm talking about him, I'm jealous of that. Means Ebuka Obi is also jealous to those alcohol them. So that is it. This is the jealous. That means as you talk about other prophets, you're also jealous in them. So leave all this mention about blackmail, jealous of the Bible says expose Satan, expose evil. So if somebody talk about your evil you're doing, if you say it's not the truth, you should be able to address it. Don't come and say, give us Bible backup when God say worship Mary. Give us Bible backup when God say you must be a virgin to serve him. Give us Bible backup when God say he must be this one. No, these are crap. That's not criteria to know who. God will give us 10 commandments, and these 10 commandments you fail to do them. That shall not worship grave image. First commandment, you're doing that. Keep Sabbath, you're not keeping it. All the commandments, you break it. You say you're keeping to who? You're a virgin to who? What God asks you to do? They say obedience is more than sacrifice. No matter what sacrifice you do, you don't obey God. You don't do the word of God. You are the worshiping Satan. You call rebellion. That is why God threw away Satan from heaven to this world. So know all those tricks. So don't come and use I'm a virgin. I am this one. I pay price. I know they could sleep with a woman. Who told you not to sleep with a woman? Bible says go into the world and flourish and marry and bless the whole world. King Solomon, David himself married somebody's wife that God is a man after my heart. So it's not about the marriage thing or things of this. It's about the spirituality. Why God loved David? Because David is a worshiper. He's always worshiper. He's always asking for mercy. He's always seeking his face. That's why God said David is a man after my heart. Not because David is righteous. David has killed people. And David want to build a city for God. God said, no, you have killed a lot of people. Your son will build a city for me. Then Solomon came. Solomon could not fight any war. Solomon began to marry different. Do you know why Solomon married many wives? Solomon married many wives because Solomon don't want to fight war. He saw the kind of enemy that his father made. And God told him not to marry for those things. That's why the kingdom of Solomon decayed. Solomon could not produce one son to represent the kingdom 4. Who is Solomon's son? Because of what? He disobeyed God. God said, thou shalt not marry from social people. Thou shalt not do anything with them idol worshippers. Do you know Queen Sheba? A mother and father was a war rod. An idol worshipper. Sorry. So Queen Sheba came with money, gold and silver. That's why someone became so wealthy. It's the Queen Sheba that came with a lot of billions and gold and silver because the father is rich. You know, it's like you marry Dankote daughter now. You'll be a rich man, you'll be a billionaire already. Because the woman, the girl will come with a lot of gift, gold and everything. So that's what happened. Solomon keep on marrying rich people from different places, and they can't even take care of the woman, and he became. But who destroyed him was Queen Sheba, because these are the plan of Satan. They sent him, projected the woman. The woman appeared in this earth. Queen Sheba appeared in this earth with gold and silver and everything. Let me pray this video. Okay.
If anybody can come and challenge it, Jerome and then come and prove to us that Mary is not Satan. Come and take hands and what 100 million. I'll come to the video. I'm sharing it. I am an apostle and a prophet. I'm an angel on earth. So I can't watch my people going astray. They say, "You shall know the truth, you shall set you free." Reason why we are always talking about people, not because of Ebuka Obi, because of millions of people who believe this is God. Where it's not God, I'm taking them to kingdom and darkness. Why is he a prophet? Is he a prophet? Evangelist. Evangelist is a Reverend Father or any pastor that can say that worshiping Mary, pray to raise is not demonic. Come out. Let us go to Israel. If you prove it finish, he take half of that 100 million naira. If you see me on air again, answer prophet. Take knife and cut my head. I want to prove it to the world that I'm more than all of you. You are not. What you have is just what you rejected. I rejected billion from the Occultic kingdom. I don't do church. I closed my church because of the deceit. 2016, when I saw this deceit, the evil, the occultism, the evil. If you look at me and I say, "You happy?" They arrested him, right? You look at Apoko, they are happy, they arrested him, right? Yes. This is why they are own, because he was one view. People are using it to our youth. If people know what they want to walk, they are now going into that devious something. But before that, people, pastors and prophets have been doing evil. That's what I want to tell you. When I bought things of TB Joshua, Jeremiah, there's not a Apoko then. There's no Apoko, there's no million, there's no all those. Now, I was Muslim, I saw my house.
This is Roman Catholic.
Kingdom, they are very sick, they are going on.
After they say we are fake, they will come back to come and take blessing. You know, they say, "I am fake on camera." And then you move. If the chat finish, or they will come for back. So I want to show you this. Why not they come and say, "How much you gonna take? Make you help me." I say no. Come next month, where will they do program? I know they do all this online stuff. I don't have that time. I'm on a fast. Okay? Because many of them now, you come and help them, they will not come and do testimony. You look at we're doing fake something. No. I will not end. I know they just crap. I'm not even interested. I don't even have that power. So as people live say he good. So I go concentrate on 2 or 3 people when they say they like what I'm doing. You know, the say people come, they call up and down, do prayer. I know they do online prayer like before. Now once. Now when I just check and say the problem, if you kill the person. Now if the normal thing, I will say go to your church. So this woman now, he came. A mother was very sick. It's a Roman Catholic mother. He saw this NGO, you see her picture. So, you know, so when I was praying for her, I saw snake. There's so many covenants. And she's a woman of God. They already told her she should raise a wine. But she's not a raise a wine. Because of that, marriage. Now, if I told you, okay, why do you think Akwa they are Roman Catholic? Instead of continue with
if anybody can
with Roman Catholic, you want to carry idol. Why do you think Matthias born Bible? He's a Roman Catholic. He born Bible because there's something he discovered. That is my kingdom. The same thing. You know what he's saying. They born the Bible because they don't teach them Bible, they teach them Rosary, and they teach them Mary and Jesus. So when they find those things are not real, they born Bible. That is error from the outside. You're thinking it's born foreign book. That Bible is African history. Jesus was a Jew, he was a black man. Now, million widow you see today was a man's Sabbath. So ask yourself, was a man's Sabbath in Roman Catholic? Ask yourself, all the whole native doctors, and there's the one you have now, 99% of them came out from this thing, from Roman Catholic. Show me one native doctor that came out from Sabbath and become native doctor. Most of them are from Roman Catholic. Why? Because that is the demonic power they have been worshipping have entered them. They begin to worship her in another way. All the whole popular Bezobi, all the whole popular native doctor you know in the internet, all of them that came out from Roman Catholic. Ask yourself why. Why that made no convert them? Why Mbaka no convert them? Why Bemos no convert? Why Ebuka no convert them? All of them become so powerful. Just to tell you, the more you look, the less you see. But we are come to deal with all those things. If you like, but if you don't believe, you believe it in your grave, or you believe it in your sick bed. Long for your life. Stop reading rosary. Stop praying to demons if you don't want to die. Just tell you, this is my last message. I pray God will give me the grace. I will not be calling it because I don't want to be calling them. I've said that before. But anytime I finish it, When he do something again, the spirit will be coming out. If I want to talk now, I know one calling, I will be calling them. Because I am not the one saying, I don't have myself. It's God that's doing this. So please pardon me. I'm not against Ebuka Obi. I'm only here to save my people, which God has sent me to save them. Before I talk about Ebuka Obi, I don't talk about TV Joshua. If I don't talk about those people, Jeremiah, I don't talk about them many years. If I don't talk about them, they'll be say, they're jealous. They'll be jealous. Now, waiting God send me, make I do. I'm an assignment to the blessing Igbo from powers of darkness. So God bless you. I am the spiritual leader of Gospel of Truth, end time, prophetic, revival movement, liberation and solution to 7-day Igbo. Love you all. Shalom. Let us listen to this woman. What happened to her? Her snake want to kill their family. That one not paralyze her mother. Now she that want to enter now. Her mother snake the bite her. Who are the snake? Nobody no matter why. They are the same demon, the same Mary. I ain't get those snake. Hear it. I hear it. I'm saying it on air. Listen.
Kingdom, there are many snakes. They are going out. I want to remove all the snakes. There is a covenant. She went out. Never again out of solution. And then you have I was in prayer now. I was masquerade. My son, I was in never that solution. And it's not so. Why do I watch that? I'm going to shit to the man. Where are those? Where are Madam, what can you see?
I see my mother in the water.
See your mother in the water. Marine Kingdom. What is this? That is our problem. Marine Kingdom. And I get now after seeing fake prophet, you want to turn you into a man. That's the day I was always a man.
Yes.
Different levels. Today, on this altar, there's no if I've killed many idols. 320,000 demons I've killed. All of them power, maybe they go against Jesus. And many of them. I give me 4 days with that and say, come down by I am the spiritual world. I'm not by a crowd. It's not by a crowd. All I feel in that's why I'm not the video altar. I'm going to be the chairman in the child. If you go to Lagos, my altar like this, and they do miracle for streets. That's why. Because if they are not saying, hey, they don't make something, that's why they don't know they do anything. So you will confirm it. We're going to be now. 80 grand, miracle they have. Your mother is married to them, that sickness will go. Because we are broken all. And he that we God is what? Majority. And when there is the Spirit of God in this, there is a liberty. God has delivered. There is a big snake that will always moving around you. But that snake have careful. They don't go to every place again. Not if one. If you are a woman of God, they are see, many of us, they will tell us, hey, here are always mine. Here are many people that have some or they have some prophets of God. They never say they go that, they go that. That was very they go and they go to me. Thank God for my governors and thank God for one of the young. Because when everybody out of the wilderness, why? People don't know which they are, they go there. People don't know which one they go there. I don't know, I say, I don't know. I'm just gonna out. But God love you. If we use this one to know that money of his spending in the hospital, something for now. Bring that picture. Give her. This woman, now what's it? Okay, Catholic. Okay. Look Catholic. I have that.
If I say now because she belong a Catholic, I'm not going to pray for her. She may go and die and fail. Is that why I'm shouting this to see them? This is evidence. So if I see what's in the key, my people, I'm not going to talk. Why am I a prophet? I can't fear one useless fake prophet. That be able to do who. Why millions of people are dying in the same thing? Oh, come and deliver them now. Take all the people and go and deliver them. They should tell them they shouldn't go to the Yahweh, they shouldn't go to other church. They shouldn't go to native doctor. They should be coming to your church. for you to deliver them. People will go there frustrated. You see only 2 people. Millions of them will go back. You're putting 100 days of fasting and prayer. You're calling that people fake. Just to, and they see as God. They cannot go and look for that. Come on, go and get away from that church and go and look for a solution. Now you are fools. Now that's how you move. You know, if you go and look for how to solve your problem, you're there. None of you will be there fast and die. You gotta go and fight.
If you can prove to me that they have real I will close.
Let me see.
God love you. If we use this one to know that money of his spending in the hospital, suffering for now. Bring that picture. Give her. This woman, now what's it? Okay, Catholic. Okay. Look Catholic. I have that. No, if I tell you the truth, you will not believe. I tell Ebuka Obi or Ibemonso, if you can prove to me that they have real ways, I will close this church. Anybody can prove that? I didn't kingdom. What are you? That is it. You can never get solution. In one other person, we will have to deal with it. But if you say it, they will call out fake. I now laugh. Here the girl will to expose even if it doesn't have to expose the church of what setup. That's why I cannot see about people here because I know we don't think I know. I know they have about so they have to pay everything go. How when they prove that last year, nobody do. And the question everything, my case is very open. Everyone do it. All of them run away. Because something of 15 years, I will tell you. Not be able to tell you, what I say. I know that all this is about even if we hear that we are what is the problem now, you get the matter that you know this is your mother now, if you go house now. That's all you need and I will start doing that as much years. But that's social pain. We are snake in that life. I kill the snake in Jesus' name. I'm confident about what more we love people. Or snake, like serpent, big serpent. And that snake want to enter you. You notice the snake, the thing that happened to your mother, want to start happening. Yes. Let me do something. God will not want myself. God will make God understand. If we let each other the power, and move all the things. They are coming out. This is a marine kingdom. They will come out. I will move into this night. This is the water of life. The Dr. Chukwu can be clear your water of life. By the time this water touch you, this water is your partner. I'm not telling you to you. Not too far. Give yourself.
Now you see the water now. This woman is not my church member. He never come first time. The water that we gave to her, it was free. You know, pay teaching, you know, pay teaching, no offering, no tithe, nothing, no seed. I've done this program many times. You do not collect offering, no tithe, nothing. You just the partners. So why you say, you don't collect money? You dey collect our mother seed, Ebuka. You dey collect offering, you dey collect tithe, you dey collect seed, you dey collect money for projects. They say no, they collect money. Who's the fool? Oh, that is your God. That is your. Now who will deceive? Not be me. I did the game before you. So maybe you think I just came out. They into this thing before you. So we know all the dubious way. We know decided to leave it. Not me say we no get sense. We know decided to follow those stars. All the deceive people. Not me say we no now. You know. Leave all those things. That's not okay. Yeah, na photonese. Ejide emegeme. I dey draft for God already blessed me from my childhood. So church or no church, nothing concern me.
Umukuru na mukunani jino fechete. Obika yigache amade. Udoga jino. Chukwu kariga. Aguna chamba.
God bless you. As you dance, God bless you. I'm reporting my page. Let me share and like. You're welcome to Zion City on the Western about the New Jerusalem. We are the Zionites, we are the Israelites, we are the Igbo Jews, we are the chosen one. Shalom. Mako Nechamba. Mako Abumori. Chabara Wagwe. Asimu Chabara Wagwe. Chabara Wagwe. Chabara Wagwe. Power. What for outside the world? What is the
Shalom, shalom. Shalom, shalom. Shalom. God bless everybody.
Because of